Rio de Janeiro is a vibrant and lively city located on the southeast coast of Brazil. It is known for its beautiful beaches, stunning natural landscapes, and vibrant culture. The city is also home to iconic landmarks such as the Christ the Redeemer statue and the Sugarloaf Mountain, which offer breathtaking views of the city and surrounding area. Some of Rio de Janeiro's most famous landmarks include the Christ the Redeemer statue, which stands atop Corcovado Mountain and offers breathtaking views of the city, and the Sugarloaf Mountain, which can be reached by cable car and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The city was founded in 1565 by the Portuguese, and it served as the capital of Brazil from 1763 until 1960. Today, it is a major cultural, economic, and political center of the country. It is also a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. The city's nightlife is famous around the world, with a diverse range of bars, clubs, and restaurants to suit all tastes. Samba music and dance are an integral part of the culture, and visitors can experience this firsthand by attending one of the many street parties or visiting a samba school. According to the latest estimates from the Brazilian Institute of Geography and Statistics, IBGE, Rio de Janeiro has a population of approximately 6.75 million people as of 2021. This makes it the second largest city in Brazil, after São Paulo. The city has a diverse population, with a mix of ethnic and cultural backgrounds, including Portuguese, African, and indigenous heritage. Rio de Janeiro has a tropical climate, with warm temperatures throughout the year. The average temperature in Rio de Janeiro ranges from around 23 degrees Celsius or 73 degrees Fahrenheit in the winter months, June to August, to around 27 degrees Celsius or 81 degrees Fahrenheit in the summer months, December to February. Rainfall is highest during the summer months, with January and February being the wettest months. However, even during the rainy season, it is common for the weather to be sunny and hot during the day, with brief afternoon showers.